Bonjour class. So I just wanted to clear up one thing that I have noticed a few students have been confused about. So when we say j'aime, we're actually already conjugating the verb aimer, which means to like. So the reason that we do J apostrophe instead of JE is because aimer begins with a vowel. So whenever we have a verb that begins with a vowel, we're going to want to do J apostrophe for pronunciation reasons. So j'aime, we are already conjugating aimer, we took off the ER and we added an E, and that means I like. If we wanted to say you like, we would do the same thing, chop off the ER and then add ES. So if we have already conjugated our first verb, then we don't need to conjugate the second verb. So if I say j'aime chanter, I like to sing, I've already conjugated my first verb, so I don't need to conjugate chanter. It stays in its original form and we don't need to take off the ER. Because when we say chanter with the ER or any verb, even, so another example would be écouter, this means to listen. For example, to listen to music. So literally when we have a verb that ends in ER, it means to listen, to sing. If I had aimer, to like. So when we say j'aime, I like, then that means we do not need to conjugate the second verb because we've already conjugated it. So when I ask you guys to say what you like, then I am asking you guys to say j'aime and then leave your second verb unconjugated. So j'aime chanter, we could have j'aime parler, I like to talk. We could have j'aime danser, I like to dance, all of this. We also have our negative sentences where we want to put je n'aime pas. We're framing the verb. The verb is something that we do with N, or usually it will be N-E. However, again, aimer begins with a vowel, so we're doing N apostrophe for pronunciation reasons. So if I say je n'aime pas danser, this means I do not like to dance. However, if we want to say that we do something, then we do not need the verb aimer. So if we want to say I sing, we just need our subject pronoun. Je means I. We'll remember tu, désolé, means you, casual, etc. So we have all of our different subject pronouns, and so we do not need aimer to say I sing. If we say j'aime chanter, that means I like to sing, but if we just want to say I sing, and I'm asking you guys to conjugate an ER verb, a different ER verb, then we do not need j'aime. We want just je, which means I. So if we want to say I do not sing, then we frame our verb chanter with ne and pas. This means I do not sing. So, and again we see an E here because chante does not begin with a vowel like aimer. So I hope this has cleared up a little bit of confusion, and please let me know if you guys have any questions, because we will be using both j'aime and then verb, and then we will also need to just conjugate ER verbs for the exam. So please make sure to contact me if you guys have any questions. Merci. Bonne journée.